My name is Magarant and I am here to greet you all. I have made an hologram projector using OHP sheet, glue, and some cardboard pieces, which I learned to make today in my Playto class. Materials required: OHP sheet 14 into 14 centimeter, one number, Fevicol, a pair of scissors or cutter, cardboard 18 into 10 centimeter, two numbers, 18 into 18 centimeter, one number, 21 into 14 centimeter, one number. Take both the 18 into 10 centimeter cardboard pieces and divide as shown. Cut these pieces in the line marked. Take the 18 centimeter into 18 centimeter piece and stick the cut pieces as shown, and make sure that there is a 12 centimeter gap left between the pieces stuck, and then stick the OHP sheet on the top. Then stick the triangle cut on the top of the OHP sheet. Now finally take the 21 centimeter into 14 centimeter cardboard piece and cut a small rectangle of 11 centimeter into 6 centimeter from it. Now let's see how it's working. Place the mobile on top as shown with a 3D hologram video playing. This gives you a best experience. On what principle does this work? When the mobile is placed on the top with a 3D hologram video playing, we would be able to view the hologram. Here, the OHP sheet works similarly to a mirror, but it's also transparent, due to which it looks like a hologram rather than just an image reflected by a mirror. Thank you.